We have a community of people who are dedicated or committed to working together in support of each other's learning. So we've been developing that kind of environment over the past couple of days.
I think it's so important to have positive, affirming experiences in math, learn how to explain and connect ideas versus just rote memorization or follow this procedure.
Kids have never really been curious in mathematics. They might have been proficient in it, but they have not been curious about what they're actually doing.
I think when you stop being curious as teachers, that's when you show students that learning is not something that continues to develop throughout your whole life.
You have to be vulnerable in terms of being able to share problems that you never solved. Maybe there's a real opportunity for you to get stuck. And if kids can see that we are working as a group about a problem that even my teacher isn't sure, then that is going to also model risk-taking because they see your teacher taking risks in the classroom.
This week has been a perfect example of how we could all share in the learning. There was 2 participants who struggled with a problem. And as they did it, there was no that they did it incorrectly. It was like, how did you do it? And get them to really kind of justify their thinking. And so then it wasn't them as people. It was like, oh, what could you do differently? What questions could we ask? And it wasn't just thinking about you as taking it personally, that you did something wrong.
When we continually rescue kiddos from anything that they're struggling with, I think that it takes away their belief that they're capable and that they can do it. Letting kids have that sort of productive struggle, even though it's uncomfortable, I think that that really instills that belief that they are capable.
I'm a special educator, and there have always been things that we've just skipped. I'm seeing this week what kids can do and should be exposed to.
My time at the CoLab has given me confidence, not only as a teacher, feeling competent to be able to teach my students math, but it's also given me confidence as a mathematician myself. And it's also adjusted the way that I view my learners and how important it is to make sure that they believe that I believe that they can do it.
It's really fun to see a group of educators be excited about learning math and doing math and experiencing math and sharing math. And if our teachers talk about what an exciting experience they had and how they want to bring these ideas back into their classroom for their learners, more teachers in our system will say, oh, what are you doing? Can I come watch? And that's how it grows.